Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the full list of apps and click on the settings. Here let's choose the display, click on advanced, and here we've got the screen timeout option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize and to choose from. For example, we can set the screen timeout for 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. As you can see here, we've got 10 minutes applied. And if you want to change it, simply choose the time you want to use, for example 5 minutes, and as you can see, it immediately changes, and from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set timeout in Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.